Unraveling, I'm planning for, a guide to future intentions. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard or even used yourself. I'm planning for. Understanding this phrase is crucial for English learners because it's widely used in both formal and informal settings to talk about future intentions or arrangements. By the end of this video, you'll not only grasp its meaning but also how to use it correctly in your conversations. So, let's get started. I'm planning for is a phrase that signals the speaker's intentions to prepare or make arrangements for a specific event, situation, or period in the future. It's about looking ahead and thinking about what you need to do to achieve a desired outcome. The key here is the word planning, which indicates a thoughtful process of preparing for something that is yet to happen. For example, when someone says, "I'm planning for my trip next month," they mean they are in the process of making travel arrangements, such as booking flights, finding accommodation, or deciding on places to visit. This section will guide you through how to correctly use "I'm planning for" in various contexts. Personal plans. When talking about personal plans, you can use the phrase to discuss upcoming events in your life. It could be related to education, travel, career moves, or any significant life changes. Example, I'm planning for my study abroad semester in Spain. Professional contexts. In professional settings, I'm planning for can refer to preparing for projects, meetings, or any work-related activities that require forethought and coordination. Example, I'm planning for the quarterly review meeting next week. Specifying details. You can add more details after for to make your sentence more specific. This could include time frames, events, or particular goals you're aiming for. Example, I'm planning for a family reunion in July. While using "I'm planning for," it's essential to avoid common pitfalls that English learners might face. Do not omit "for" after planning when you mention what you are planning for. The word "for" is crucial as it links the planning with the object or event. Avoid being too vague if the context requires specificity. It helps the listener understand your plans better. Example of a common mistake. I'm planning my weekend. Correct version, I'm planning for my weekend. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, I'm planning for. Remember, this phrase is all about expressing your intentions to prepare for something in the future. Whether it's for personal goals, professional projects, or any upcoming events, using "I'm planning for" correctly can help you communicate your future plans effectively. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in using this phrase in your English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning!